We have saved a new crepe myrtle that appeared apparently from a dropped seed. It was extremely close to our French tree, so we dug it up, pruned it, and planted it in a large pot. It's blooming now, and we eventually want it in the yard. What is the best time of the year for us to transplant it? And is this a Muskogee crepe myrtle? Okay, and this is Sandra from Panama City Beach, Florida.
Oh,
so what do you think about that? So they saved it, right?
Yeah,
Put it in a large pot. They want to keep it in the yard. So the first question is this: the best time of the year to transplant it, though?
It's late fall and winter.
All right. Late fall and winter. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you think this is the Muskogee crepe myrtle?
Good question. I don't know.
Okay.
It's hard. I mean, there's a lot of red and pink crepe myrtles. So unless they actually know that there's Muskogee crepe myrtles around, and that is the only possibility that the seed could have germinated from, then most likely it came from that.
Okay.
But other than that, I can't tell.
You want to be able to tell? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And Peter, any thoughts on the best time to transplant? I know we mentioned fall.
Right. Yeah, they're in Panama City Beach, Florida, so it stays pretty warm. You know, it might freeze occasionally there.
Yeah.
So yeah, you could, like, anytime fall and winter is a great time to plant it. Let the crepe myrtle can grow and get established in the soil when it's not really hot. It's easy for the tree to grow there. If I were farther north where you get really hard freezes, I might hold off till spring, where, you know, especially if your soil's frozen.
Right.
So that way it's not too stressed by the cold.
Right. Good point.
And then put it in spring and let it grow then.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.